3.5
आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल and good morning Delhi. This is RJ Karthik, live from the studio. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. So this is episode 2 of our Talk and Walk show. As usual, we have invited some celebrities, but today we have a very talented, very special guest in our show. So let's begin. Let us begin our show with a very talented and very beautiful actress, Miss Janhvi Kapoor.
Hi everyone, this is your one and only Janhvi. Thank you so much Big FM for inviting me on this special occasion. It's my pleasure to be here.
As we all know, ma'am, that today is 26th January. It is a Republic Day. So what are your views on it, ma'am?
I would like to tell everyone about Republic Day. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on 26th of January since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of British over 200 years and became independent from the rule of British Raj following the Indian independence movement.
Thank you for giving us such a great and important information, ma'am. Thank you.
No need of thanks, Mr. Karthik. Bye everyone.
Now we have a very legendary actor, Raja on call. So please welcome my inspiration, Mr. King.
Hi everyone, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day and I also wish that you all are safe at home.
Thank you, sir. So as we heard Janhvi ma'am, so would you like to conclude anything that why should we remember these days or these dates? Why it is important?
Yes, it's very important to remember such dates. I would like to share an incident that once I was going on the set of a movie and I found a schoolboy and I generally asked him that what is special today. He replied that today is Republic Day. And I generally asked him that what is special today. He replied me that today is a national holiday and I can sleep as much as possible today. I was really very surprised to hear this. Then I asked everyone on the set and I got similar replies from everyone. So, being a sincere resident of India, it's very important for us to remember such dates. I can once forget my birthday, but I can never forget such dates like 15th August, 26th of January and 2nd October.
Great thought, sir. Great thought. That's the reason why you are the inspiration of all over the India. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much everyone.
So now I would like to call the court master and the great cricketer, Mr. Navjot.
Hi everyone, Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri Akal, sir. Sir, it has been a long time. We haven't heard any of the quotes or poem by you, sir.
Okay, Karthik, I understood what you want to say. I wrote this quote yesterday, but it's in Hindi.
Sir, आपसे quote सुनने को मिल रहा है. That's a very huge thing for me, sir. It doesn't matter that it's in Hindi or in English.
चलिए गौर फरमाइए. संविधान आज़ादी वाला बच्चों इस दिन आया, इसमें दुनिया में भारत को नव स्वतंत्र बनाया. महा जनवरी 26 को हम गणतंत्र मनाते और इस दिन तिरंगे को फहराकर हम गीत खुशी के गाते.
Wow, sir. That was wow. Hats off to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, my boy.
So it's time to invite a very special guest in our show. I was thinking last night that we only invite celebrities in our show. Audience are as important as celebrities. So let us invite Savita, who is a housewife. In short words, she is the all-rounder. So let's invite her. Hi ma'am, welcome to come in our show and a very happy Republic Day to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Karthik.
So ma'am, would you like to say something on this occasion on Republic Day?
India celebrates Republic Day on January 26 annually with a lot of pride and fervor. It is a day that is important to every Indian citizen. It marks the day when India became truly independent and embraced democracy. In other words, it celebrates the day on which our constitution came into effect.
Wow, what a great thinking, ma'am.
Thank you.
So guys, on the demand of the public, let us invite the great singer, Miss Dhwani on this show.
On. Give it up for Dhwani Bhanushali.
Thank you everyone.
A very happy Republic Day to you, ma'am. As you all know, ma'am, that you are a very great singer. So it would be our pleasure to hear just two lines by you, ma'am.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी जब तक थी सांस लरे वो जब तक थी सांस लरे वो फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
Wow, ma'am. That's the reason why you are known as the voice of the nation. So guys, it's time to say goodbye to you all. Be safe, be healthy, and happy Republic Day. We'll meet you soon.